Okay, so let's do it. So stehen's do form is steh auf, hier form is steht auf, and the sie form is stehen sie auf. Right, great. And as I told you, exclamation mark is very important when you're making these kind of sentences. Exclamation mark is okay. Then Sana, for trinken, could you tell me the do form and ear form?
Do form is trinkwasser.
Very good. Trinkwasser.
Ear form is trinkwasser.
Yeah, and the ear form as it trinkt Wasser. Super. Richtig. And the Z form is trinken. Sie Wasser. Okay, super. Then Revati, could you please tell me the form of essen?
Is salad.
Is Salat. Okay.
Is salad.
Est or est Salat. Okay. And
Essen,
then Z form.
essen Sie salad.
Very good. Essen Sie Salat. Okay. Super. Richtig. Then Sana, could you tell me for the form of mark mitmachen?
Yes, ma'am. Ear form will be marked out mit.
Sehr gut. So ear form would be marked auch mit. Okay. And then the Z form?
Z form will be machen out mit. Machen Sie out mit.
Machen Sie, right? Machen Sie auch mit. Sehr gut. Super. Richtig. Then, okay, Revati for Holland. For Holland, how do we conjugate this?
Whole, I missed that. Whole, ein ball.
Whole einen Ball. Ball is there. Whole einen Ball. Then ear form.
Whole einen
Very
ball.
good. Hold einen Ball. Very good. And the Z form is holen Sie einen Ball. Good. Holen Sie einen Ball. Okay, great. Yeah. Good. Good. And the last one, Sana, would you take over the last one? Sorry, the second last one, laufen. How do we conjugate laufen?
Do form will be lauf schnell.
Lauf schnell. Okay. Then?
And Z form will be laufen Sie schnell.
Lauf schnell will be the imperative form. And Z form would be laufen Sie schnell.
Yes, ma'am.
Laufen Sie schnell. Richtig? Anybody? Do you have any other answer? What did you write, Revati?
I wrote the same.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay. Lauf schnell. Okay, gut. Aber there is one thing, I think imperative is lauft. Yeah, richtig, lauf and lauf. That's fine. Great. The last one is sein. That is the sei part. So it's written sei active. What would be, what would be the ear part? Revati?
Ride active.
Zaid active. Yeah, right. And the last one, the Z part.
Sign Z active.
Zion Z active. So I think there is no issue while making the verb to ear, like while making the imperative forms of ear, do, and sein. It's just that in order to make all the verbs smoothly, you have to be very sure with the conjugation. Because conjugation नहीं आएगा तो उसको आप do में conjugate नहीं कर पाएंगे, do में conjugate नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो you won't be able to make the imperative form. So the thing is, you have to be very particular with the conjugation. There is one exercise I'm giving you more, which is a bit tricky but interesting. This is the last exercise for this evening. I'll not take the further because Samriddhi and Ashwin दोनों नहीं आए हैं, उनके लिए थोड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी. So इस chapter में इसके अलावा कुछ खास और है नहीं. This is the only thing that you need to study deeply in this chapter. Otherwise, it's all about the vocabulary. Yeah. एक टॉपिक और बच जा रहा है इस चैप्टर का जो हम कल करेंगे. That is ड्यूरफिन. और बाकी जो मैंने आपको vocabulary दिया है वो आप कर लेना. And book से भी it's very important to learn the vocabulary from the book. So try to learn the vocabulary and then this chapter has nothing. So only 2 grammar topics and vocabulary, that's all. उसके बाद हम इस chapter में कुछ नहीं करेंगे. तो now अभी आपको जो करना है that is page number 100. I have sent to Revati as well. No more fear. समझना इस चीज को. There are two people. One is do, that is in the A picture number A. We can see a lady. In picture number B, we can see there are 2 people. Wear, that is wear. It's talking about plural. So you have to give suggestions. आपको इनको tips देने हैं कि तुम्हें भाई क्या करना है तुम्हारे problems का with imperative. So the first lady in the picture A, she is saying, ich habe viel Stress. I have a lot of stress. Und ich bin immer müde and I'm always tired. The second जो picture है उसमें लोग कह रहे हैं, we are sehr faul. We are very lazy. Faul means lazy. So you have to give them the tips. तो पहला tip जो यहाँ पे you have got some tips given in the book. So you have to the पहला tip जो है täglich in den Park gehen. तो täglich in den Park gehen तो वो हमने this tip go to park regularly ये हमने दिया नंबर A को because कहते हैं कि if you are you know अगर आपको स्ट्रेस की दिक्कत है, अगर आप टायर्ड हो तो आपको वॉक करना चाहिए. मतलब आपको थोड़ा अपने बॉडी को फिट रखने के लिए यू हैव टू वॉक. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है गे टेगलिश इंडियन पार्क. तो हमने गेहन को फॉर फर्स्ट पिक्चर वी मेड गे बिकॉज शी वाज डू इन फॉर्मल. तो हम यहाँ पे गे से बनाएंगे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
एंड सेकेंड यस सना.
This is on which page number? I cannot find.
100 exercise book page number 100. 100.
Okay.
Could you find it?
The first exercise.
The 4th number. You can see 2 pictures are there in which the lady is sitting in middle of the copies and books, and there are 3 people laying on the sofa. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to give tips to that. For example, den Fernseher ausmachen, to open switch on the TV. So who do you think deserves this tip? A or B? Who do you think? टीवी ओपन करने का किसको देंगे हम टिप? आ को देंगे जिसको स्ट्रेस की दिक्कत है, या फिर उसको देंगे जो बहुत लेजी है?
Picture
जिसको स्ट्रेस है उसको हम क्यों बोलेंगे सना कि जाके टीवी ऑन करो? ये तो उसको बोलते हैं ना, जो लेजी होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं ना कि जाओ जाके टीवी ऑन करके आओ, ताकि उनको थोड़ा मूवमेंट मिले बॉडी में. तो दिस सेंटेंस, दिस टिप इज अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बी को जाना चाहिए. रेवती, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आ और बे? बे. तो बे में रेवती देयर इज नॉट वन पीपल, देयर आर प्लूरल. दैट इज, तो आपको सेंटेंस बनाना होगा ईयर के साथ. तो हाउ डू यू मेक द सेंटेंस? आपको ausmachen को you have to make the imperative form with ear and you have to complete the sentence. How would you do it? कैसे बनाओगे आप? Marked, okay.
Then Fernseher.
Fernseher. aus. Very good. So आपने you gave the second picture, you gave some tips and you gave it with the plural form because there are more than one people. So you said marked then Fernseher aus. So your work is to read all the suggestions that's given in the option, decide which suggestion goes with which picture, and then when you have decided कि ये exercises और ये tips A के साथ जाएंगे, this one would go with B. Then make the first picture sentences with do in formal and the second picture sentences with ear. So you have to make imperative sentences in do and ear. Formal में नहीं बनाएंगे, do और ear में यहाँ बनाएंगे. So better, yeah. So let's discuss. So we have here den Fernseher ausmachen. That has been already given. She has given the answer. Revati has given the answer. Nicht so viel arbeiten. Sana, to whom it should be? The tip is for whom?
Picture number
Mm-hmm.
Picture number
And how would you say her in imperative?
It will be Arbeit nicht so viel.
Yeah, but arbeit, the form of it's given in this as well. That for reden and arbeiten, we have to keep arbeiter. Arbeiter. Because when we conjugate arbeit, you know, do arbeitest, this is the conjugation of arbeit with do. So after removing the st part, we are remaining with arbeiter. So that has to be the part. So remember with arbeit, arbeiter nicht so viel. Very good. Arbeiter nicht so viel. So remember the imperative of arbeiter, that's arbeiter.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have nicht so viel Kaffee trinken. Revati, to whom it should be?
Picture number
Okay. And Sana, what do you think? To whom it should go? Nicht so viel Kaffee trinken?
I think it should be picture number B.
क्योंकि काफी तो कैफीन है ना रेवती, तो कैफीन अगर आप जैसे सो के उठते हो तो बोला जाता है कॉफी या टी पियो, तो उससे आपको जैसे आपने नेस्कैफे का एड्स भी देखा होगा कि इट कीप्स यू फ्रेश, तो ये नंबर ए के लिए नहीं हो सकता है, ये जो लोग लेजी हैं फॉर देम, तो इट हैज टू बी विद पिक्चर बे, राइट रेवती? एंड नाउ मेक द सेंटेंस फॉर ईयर.
trinket nicht
Trinkt, not trinket, trinkt.
Trinkt nicht so viel Kaffee.
So viel Kaffee. Trinkt nicht so viel Kaffee. Sehr gut. Trinkt nicht so viel Kaffee. Then we have here the Prüfungen lernen. Sana, to whom it should be? Learn for the exam.
It should be picture number A.
ये ऑलरेडी इतना काम कर रही है एंड शी इज स्ट्रेस्ड, तो वो क्या बेचारी पढ़ेगी एग्जाम के लिए?
Yeah, picture number B it will be.
Yeah, be. And then tell me the sentence in imperative.
Yes, ma'am. It is we learned. Learned für die Prüfungen.
Yeah, lernt für die Prüfungen. Very good, Sana. Well done. Lernt für die Prüfungen. Ja, richtig. Then we have in here immer wieder eine Pause machen. Always take a break in between. So Revati, to whom it should be this tip?
Picture A.
Now machen Sie einen Imperativsatz bitte.
Mach immer wieder eine Pause.
Mach immer wieder eine Pause. I think बंद कर दीजिए, हो गया टाइम. Mach immer wieder eine Pause. Sehr gut. Then we have vom Sofa aufstehen. Wake up from the sofa. Sana, to whom it should be?
Picture number B.
Okay, now make an imperative for ear.
Yes, ma'am. We Steht vom Sofa auf.
Richtig. Steht vom Sofa auf. Sehr gut. Mit der Chefin sprechen to talk with the boss. Revati?
Picture A.
And an imperative Satz, bitte?
Sprich mit der Chefin.
Sehr gut. Sprich mit der Chefin. Why sprich? Sana, could you write the correct conjugation?
It will be 1 second for picture number R. It will so spresh it will be
Do के साथ जो conjugation होता है expression का, that is spricht. Okay. So when we remove the st part, we are remaining with sprich. So this is the sprich mit der Chefin. Right? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so active sein. Sana, to whom it should be and make an imperative Satz.
It goes with picture number B.
Okay.
It will be Zaid active.
Sehr gut. Seid aktiv. Very good. Be active. Last one, gemeinsam kochen, to cook together. Revati, to whom it should be.
B.
And bitte machen Sie einen Imperativsatz, bitte.
Koch gemeinsam.
Sehr gut. So I don't see here any problem. Kocht gemeinsam. Yeah, richtig. Kocht gemeinsam. That is cook together. Yeah, richtig. So I don't see a problem. Do you see a problem here? Apart from कि किस verb का imperative क्या होगा, उसमें थोड़ा हमें build up करने की जरूरत है. And once you have done the imperatives of a few verbs, तो आपके जबान पे ऐसे ही आ जाएगा. You need not to learn it. It's nothing about learning. It's just about, you know, writing a few verbs and making the imperative. So do you think it's a problem?
No.
I don't think it's a problem. Okay, good. So that means we are good to go with the imperative thing. We know how to give. We have seen few rules. There is some more examples given here. So you can, if you have time, Revati, I would just suggest you, Sana has very less timing. She has to do a lot. But Revati, if you have time, please try to make these sentences, you know, in imperative. जिस पे आपको doubt है, ear, do या z form, make it imperative and try to hold your grip more